The all-new Timberwolf 230 takes the old standards, cuts them down, throws them in the chipper, and sets whole new, even higher standards. Easy access to the engine. All serviceable parts are thoughtfully located to make servicing a breeze. Extra large access for easy blade changing. Ultra thick, double-sided cutter blades with extra large nuts for easy blade changing. Large, greasable bearings on the rotor and the rollers, easily maintained via the remote greasing station. The largest feed aperture in class, a massive 230mm wide by 160mm high. The machine weighs in at under 750 kilos, the magic number for post-97 license holders. Rigorous testing, reliable. Brutal, ruthless, speed. 20% faster than the next best. Get it down, get it chipped, get on to the next job. Get the new Timberwolf TW230.